When I was small and scared of the night, you held my hand and made it feel right. Your gentle voice, your loving smile made every pain fade for a while. You wiped my tears when I would cry. You taught me how to stand and try. Through every storm, through every fall, your love has been my greatest wall. Oh mama, you're my first home, the safest place I've ever known. Your love shines brighter than the sun. In my heart, you're the only one. Through every dream, through every scar, you love me just the way I are. Oh mama, no words can say how much I love you every day. You sacrificed your dreams for me, so I couldn't grow and I could be free. Every prayer you whispered above wrapped my life in endless love. Your tired eyes still watch my way, making sure I'd be okay. Even when the world turned cold, your warm heart was made of gold. Oh mama, home, the safest place I've ever known. Your love shines brighter than the sun. In my heart, you're the only one. Through every dream, through every scar, you love me just the way I are. Oh mama, no words can say how much I love you every day. If one day I become someone strong, it's because you helped me all along. Every lesson, every prayer you gave turned your little child into someone brave. Oh mama, you're my guiding light, my morning sun, my star at night. No treasure in this world so wide could ever match a mother's pride. So hear my heart, hear what I say. I thank God for you every day. Oh mama, forever you'll be the greatest blessing in my life to me.